In this video, I will show you how to find working Uber Eats promo codes. So first things first, Uber Eats actually gives promo codes using the in-app notifications. So to do that, head over right here to your account and then just go to your settings right here. Click on this manage Uber account. Just go right here to your security and then make sure to have in here or enable the notifications. You can also go right here to the offers and you can see the restaurant has some offers that you can get without using a coupon. You can also go right here to the promotions tab of Uber Eats and you can see in here the promo code as well as the vouchers that you can choose. Now, as well, you can go to your browser and then go right here to couponfollow.com. We have in here some Uber Eats promo code. You can see the details by clicking on the see details option. Some have $15 off, $10 off, and you can just choose which one you want to add. So that's how you find working Uber Eats promo codes onto your Uber Eats. Hope you help.